Jam Houston Adventures. Gotta look at him. This guy's got some good videos.
Jam Houston Adventure.
Yeah.
One Jam Houston Adventure.
Come and say this is not a new song. More you listen to Jam Houston. Tune in to the channel, yeah. Like, subscribe as usual. You know what channel? Jam Houston. All the people them channel. Everybody just tune into the channel. Me want to know like this channel, subscribe to the channel. Me I tell you Jam Houston. You know this channel. Everybody you know what this channel. People me want to like this channel, subscribe to this channel. Hey,
The man
Jam
that gets
Houston.
redfish, Jummer and Pearl. The man that gets doctor for your nurse. A damn Houston with a boat. Another swallow people I laugh out.
Yeah guys, so we are in the supermarket, people, and guess what? We're going on an adventure this morning. We're going to throw some line. And people, if you look over there, you see Mr. Lifestyle himself. See him over there, so big up yourself. You're going to learn to throw line for the first, see? Alright. You see you try already, but it never work out. Yeah, well. Yes, training. Alright, sir. And people, we're going to do a little cook up on the beach side and things like that. Try to see if we can catch 2 swimmers and things like that. And see Andrea, you know, guys. Jojo Fishing Adventures, people. See him there?
We can show you guys the monster this morning.
Yes. Jojo Wildlife Adventures, Jojo Fishes. Jojo Fishing Adventures or Jojo Wildlife? Wildlife Adventures. See the people. And see Troublemaker over here, so guys. See me.
Yo.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, we are in Santa Cruz right now and we're heading down to Gallant Beach. Gallant Beach or something like that. Gallant Beach. And yeah, we are head out right now. Yeah. Hey, see Mr. DNG, yeah, you know. I'm Mr. DNG. Yeah, what go on, boss? What is it? What we are doing today?
You know, are you me going today, no, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so we are going to do today.
Well, me here someone I go dive still because at Seaside we are go.
Yeah, man,
But you know, so we are the rod man, you know, we throw the rod, you know, we throw the line now, eh?
If you know you can't come here, you know.
You are going to use it?
Yeah, man.
Oh gosh,
God
man.
is good, man.
Yeah, man, we can say you love it, you know? Yeah, man, respect. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. You know, we are going to go do it. Yeah, man, so that's it. Yeah, we are going to left out at the supermarket now. We'll just get some things together, you know, so we can do a little cook up. You know, man, so D&G did this now, and Sister Steph. How are that? Are you a little snack?
Yeah, man.
We say man can't hungry. First eat that, eh?
We have yam in a bag there.
Yam in a bag for go roast. And saltfish. And plantain.
Yeah.
Alright. So Sister Steph, you buy out the whole of the supermarket.
Me?
You
You want me to show you what mine here, sir?
Yes.
The coconut water here
Yes.
and the juice here.
Healthy living. And what again? And what again?
Nothing else.
Eh?
My bag strap.
I lie. So you know had a man that were going over there so in the supermarket that you left him in there?
No, but he start eat female from where I come.
Alright, that's him. This is Creaky there. A Creaky. He said no Creaky. People, he never want to have his name for call. And he said don't put no Mr. on it. So Creaky have people.
Coconut water.
Yeah.
Cook back where dengue take out of me.
You see people in kind of get revived you know, you know. See smile all come back from his face. He look brand new. Alright guys. No, you know bother with that. Hey, no go so here man. Lego that. Lego that. Lego that. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Catch you on the water. Yeah guys, so we actually reached the location and see we have Jamaica Adventures over there, so Yeah, guys, see him over there, so I set up in rig. Yeah, bless up, bless up. Wagwan. Yes, sir. Yeah. All right, my boss. Yeah, people. So, yeah, man, we have a nice gathering here. So, today, people, we're at Gallant Beach. You know, so we have like 3-4 vehicles fully loaded, and everybody is out, people, as you can see, you know. All right, so we're going to set up ourselves and see what's going on and get organized and see if we can catch two fish, right? Or 3 fish, or 4 fish, or 5, you know, any amount. All right, people.
So you can do fishing on 2 sides.
Yeah, me use the left hand for wide, and him use right hand, so we just switch it over. How are we carrying the first fish? How are we taking the first fish?
You can say, I'm going on the road. When I feel lucky.
Yeah?
Beast, one beast pitch for me for a man, no brother. More test my skill now, yes, come on.
Get your rod, come on. Junior, why for no type of fishing can't take place as a bastard if you just join the massive?
Jordan, like good reef for that place.
Sinker. One sinker. Another sinker. There we are ready today. Give us 2 sinker there. 2 sinker there, my brother. Have you never catch brother them to do them the type of fishing there today? That was my type of fishing because I see out that deep when I plan to go. Yes, man. How them 3 ounce and 4?
3 ounce, 4, 3, 5, and 6.
Alright,
I suggest you go with a 5 if it's a medium heavy rod.
yeah, man. Yeah, you get 3 ounce with that. So Andrew, you work artificial outside?
What you want? Bank sinker or running sinker?
No, give me the bank. Because yeah, that's how we love. You notice them, I pure them me use over so you know.
Yo, a pure lead.
Yo, what's up? This is
A pure lead.
This is
No, that the loop already. So
no, this should be about 20 pounds.
no, how much that? No, that braid there. That braid there I feel like about 30 pounds braid.
You need a leader line on that.
Yeah, I set him. Me I set him. So only one we can get. Only one we can get in the bus off. Suppose each up and bus off. If you don't have it still, no watch no. Yo. Alright, let's go. Yeah, let me work with it. Did you get one ice cream cup? Alright. I don't know if you favorite brick, you know. That type. Yeah? Might come here. Now far. Yeah, I'm here on the slippers, you know. I'm left my beach boat, man. Yeah, I do.
And you? What you do? Drive up there? You know, say you can drive to a point though. But the other day when we drive to a point, the car is stuck going down. Now try that again. But if you walk yes or no, and go through the part just and follow the trail, just straight up. Yeah, that the trail better to walk go.
But I can't do the long walking today.
You want a big place and you know things like this are little, you know.
And then I long walking.
Miles of beach.
Put up one more people. Yeah. Everybody are relaxing, you know, but we decided to make a start, you know. Yeah man, I'm just catching fire right now. I'm a fireman today. Here that's how I do to the people. Light the fire. I'll probably put the yam them on it too. You know? So stay tuned guys. This is seaweed that washing and escape on it. Let me show you. So this is it. So we shake out the sun out of it, you know. And it's very light. So I have a feeling this going to catch fire. So, you know, we're just looking some starters, you know. They'll catch a fire. So if this not work, we have a cup here so you can light it and use it.
You can't drive on different location.
Yeah?
You can't go Black River.
We're supposed to. Oh, well, this now I'm going to have to use it. Plastic. Plastic. Lunchbox or something. You know what?
Bushman. I can't light on fire.
Them say you have a thing there, you know? The number to a bush, you can light fire. Yeah, Mr. Houston.
Oi?
Man and say only man with the number 2 can light fire.
Ah, you see it with the...
Number
I
2
will
a
not
bush
deal
can
with
light
that.
fire, a bush.
We not deal with the number 2 thing there.
A bush.
A bush. Ah, son.
So you roast up some yam. Light fire, you know? Use a box, use some plastic.
Say fire catch, sir?
What?
You want to get one?
Oh, yeah, that's about
You have to me say fire catch. Me I look say fire catch.
fire catch. Long time, I think we play. Alright guys, we'll catch up properly now and then we'll put on some yam on it and things like that. So mostly roasting are going to take place today, no people. Roast yam, roast potato, sweet potato. What else?
Roast saltfish.
Roast plantain, roast saltfish, roast today because we look like we're catching up fish today guys. Because the water don't look too good. But we make sure so we have backup, we are working the backup around. Firelight people, wait for the next move.
Me papa, food first come out iPad.
That's a papa, that's a yard. That's a yard.
What else you have to say,
Bush
Junior?
with it.
Man, I head I
A
also.
bush with it.
You first eat.
We not there yard. You know
So
you're
here what?
drinking pussy water today. Where
Me-
back there, we go looking for you.
Me tell you something. Me have a cup of cappuccino already. I don't need anything else.
Yeah, we there do it, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, we there. Well, they say our courtesy of me today around the kitchen, you know. So, a roast master today, people. Everything roast. Saltfish, sweet potato, yellow yam,
Plantain.
Yeah,
all butter roast.
Yard, yeah, man. You know, yard.
When fishing don't pay off,
Yes.
roasting will pay off.
Yes, sir. We have to live. Yo, you hungry?
Who hold me up, so you know?
Who?
The room and pick me up some man.
Alright, come in, Scracky. You worm? Alright, so. Plate. Oh, this is all fish already.
I'll plant too.
Can put something in this to make it breeze and blow away. No, man, chocolate. Look what
Oh, sorry, George.
chocolate
Okay.
drink.
Me cappuccino ready? Me don't want no more, man.
All that water so ice, you know.
Eh?
All that, you say brown? All the
Nice
water so
and
ice.
cool.
You know, say me have also good old sorrel. So me no need no.
Ah man, them not good for your body, man.
All of this.
They are your worm.
Yeah.
Like me.
Worm.
Alright, so you
Come
have
put
more.
mine for
Yeah.
Yes, guys, so as you can see, it was a wonderful day. You know, it turned out real good, you know, with the cooking, and we did have fun. But guess what? Nobody caught a fish, guys, because the water was so bad. You know, the condition of the water was very murky. It was looking like chocolate milk, and it was very choppy, you know. So we make the best of it otherwise by doing that roast up. I was the roast master for the day, guys, as you can see. Yeah, man. So we had fun and it was good. Jamaica Shore Fishing, Jerry, big up. Yeah, man. Ryan, Jamrock, Steve from Florida, and the great Mr. Chuck Life. Mr. Chuck Life, the time for you come out from hiding, you know, man. People them want to see you, know, man. You know, say people them love and respect you, know, man. We love and respect you, know. Want to say who is Mr. Chuck Life, you know. Yeah, man, you need to come. But you play a game with me, Bridget. You play a game with me. I'm like, hear the name when I see the person, nothing. When I make Junior head a hatty man, that time for you show up yourself, you know, brother. Why, this is joke. Anyway, speak my mind entertainment. Big up yourself too, you know. Yeah, man. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna continue by making a shout out to very, very important people. Yeah, man. I have YouTubers, subscribers, viewers, and just regular friends. You know, I wanna say thank you all for supporting me, you know, and supporting this channel. Yes. And I'm gonna make a quick shout out to a few people, and you know, next time around, if you don't hear your name in this shout out, then guys, remember, you're all important to me, right? Don't think that you're not special, right? But next time around, you'll hear your name. All right. First thing I want to say, all right, Junior, Godfather, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Junior and the crew, Steph, Chartman, D&G, Coco, everybody, right? Big up on yourself. You understand? And I want to reach out to Edo. Edo, bless up yourself, man. Edo and my little friend, that's Edo's daughter, Shayna. Shayna, big up yourself, right? I know I put a smile on your face right now. And guess what, guys? I'm going to put a smile on somebody else's face. More than one person, too. You see my little friend, Ariana, Alana. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Alana, Ariana. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself here. I know not listen for the name, you know. Especially you see you, Ariana. What? I know you're supposed to smile right now. Anyway, that is from the Jamaica Vibes Adventures channel, people. Vibes, big up yourself. Chevelle, you don't know. Yeah, man, bless, yeah? You know, I know, understand in my life, yeah? Neil, my brother, big up yourself, man. Bless up, yeah? Yeah, man, I may have a whole lot more people. Hey, how me forget Mr. Powell, man? What go on, my brother? Mr. Powell, big up yourself. Yeah, man. And guys, I have more people for big up. But please, if you don't hear your name now, please, don't kill me, here. Don't cut me short. Please. Next time around, you'll hear your name. It's Jam Houston Adventures again, signing out until we catch you in the next video. Alright? Peace out. Thank you all for watching. Bless.